In this video, we will create a website for digital or marketing agency or a consultancy company. We will use Hostbait website builder to create the website. A website builder allows you to create website without coding, and this website builder allows you to create almost any type of static website within a few clicks and a few minutes. Basically, the website will be a static website with basic functionalities. And to create a website, we require two things, which are web hosting and domain name. A domain name is basically the name of your website, like example.com or your digitalagency.com or anything .in and something like that. On the other hand, a web hosting is a digital storage or processor where your website is stored and processed. I will show you how you can purchase web hosting and domain. Before that, let us discuss about the creation of website. Basically, we will use Hostbait website builder. This website builder has more than 800 ready-made static templates of website. We can use those templates to create almost any type of website. The list of those themes is available on this SitePad website. I will mention the link of this website in the description. In the themes, you can check all the theme, you can navigate to different categories, and you can view the demo of all these themes. And for your ease, I have filtered some of the best themes for a digital agency, and let me show you each theme. This theme is basic theme for digital agency. Its name is D Agencies. You can see this theme. It also has a pricing table, and here's the service page. Now let us look at another theme. This theme is cottage theme. You can see this theme name, and here's how it looks. And let us look at another theme. This is born theme, and here's how it looks like. And here's another theme. The name of this theme is productive, and you can see it. Here's another. Its name is strides, and here's another theme, its name is now, and you can see this. And here's another, its name is communic. And you can see that there are 7 themes, but we won't install and set up each theme in this video, because if we do so, then the video will be very lengthy. In this video, we will set up born theme first, and then we will try D agencies as well. But you are free to use any theme. The setup process is almost same in all the themes. So get back to the point. The first step is to purchase hosting and domain name. As I have told you, a website requires hosting and domain. So we have to purchase that first. A hosting is where your website files will be stored, and a domain name is the name of your website, like mydigitalagency.com or mydigitalagency.in. This is a domain name. And our first task will be to purchase web hosting and domain. After purchasing web hosting and domain, we will have to wait some time for the domain to be recognized by internet service provider. Basically, what happens when a new domain is registered, internet service providers do not have enough data for that domain name, so they couldn't load that domain name. It takes a few hours to that domain to be recognized by internet service providers. After that domain is recognized, we will log into the hosting control panel and set up our website. To purchase a web hosting, you have to visit our website, which is www.hostbait.in, and in our website you have to go to this hosting section and then go to shared hosting. I will mention the link of this page in the description. Here you can choose a hosting plan. Let me explain. In the starter plan, this is a starter plan. In the starter plan, you can host maximum 1 website, which is mentioned here. And in the innovator plan, you can host 3 website. In the professional plan, you can host 5 website. Each plan has different limit for number of website and other limits such as storage and email accounts. Everything is written in this. And yes, if you are purchasing higher plans such as innovator plan, professional plan, business or business ultimate plan, then you can create more than 1 website, and for each website you will have to purchase domain name, because each website has a different domain. And you can also purchase different hosting plan for different website instead of hosting all your websites in a single plan. If you want to get in-depth information of these hosting plan, then you can watch our video on how to purchase hosting and domain. I will add the video link in the description. So I am assuming that you want to create one website only. So we will go with starter plan. To order this starter plan, click on this order plan button. And here we have three options: register a new domain, transfer your domain from another registrar, and use your existing domain and update name servers. So the first option, register a new domain, is for those who do not have any domain now or want to register a new domain. And the second option, transfer domain, is for those who have an active domain name from any other domain provider and they want to transfer that domain permanently to us. Please note that the transferring a domain will cost you additionally. If you have an active domain and want to use that domain in this hosting, then you can also connect that domain to our hosting without transferring that. The third option, use existing domain, is for those who have an active domain name either with us or any other domain provider and they want to connect that domain name to our hosting. In this case, you will have to set our name servers in your domain. So I am assuming that you do not have any domain right now and you want to register a new domain. So we will go with the first option. And here it is asking us domain name which you want to register. You have to enter the name of your domain in the first box and you have to select the domain extension in the second box. For example, you want to register domain name newseoagency.com. Then in the first box you have to enter new SEO agency, and in the second box you have to select .com and then you have to click on check. So we can see that the new SEOagency.com is available. Please note that if someone else have purchased that domain name already, then you won't be able to register that domain name. That means your domain has to be unique. For example, I want to create a website for a digital agency and they have told me that their agency name is Boost X Digital. So I will look for the domain name here. I will enter Boost X Digital here and I will select .in. And we can see that the domain is available. I will look for .com domain, boostxdigital.com, and we can see that it is also available. So that means that this domain is not purchased by someone else and we can register this domain name. But if I write boostdigital.com and check, then it shows unavailable, means someone else have already purchased that. So if you are searching for a domain, then make sure that domain name is unique and the name also seems good. And I prefer to purchase .com domain, .org, .in or .net domain, as they are one of the best domain in terms of ranking. And you can also purchase cheap domains like .xyz, .shop, but I would suggest you to purchase .com or .org or .net or .in domain, as they have very good ranking and reputation. So I will go with boostxdigital.in. And then I will add this domain to the cart and then I will continue. Now here you can select the billing cycle, if how you want to pay, like every month, every year or every 3 year. I will go with annually, that means every year, and then I will click on continue. In the domain configuration, keep it as it is and then click on continue. And now here you will be asked to create an account on Hostbait. If you already created an account on Hostbait, then you can log in that. I assume that you don't have an account. Since I am already logged in, it is not asking me to enter details, but if you are not logged in, then it will ask you to enter details. So fill all the correct details and select the payment method from which you want to pay. If you are from India, then you can pay with CC Avenue. If you are not from India, then you can pay using Stripe or PayPal. Stripe is used to make payment from debit or credit card. After that, verify this captcha and then select this term and service and then click on checkout. Once you click on checkout, you will see a button of pay now. If you have selected CC Avenue, click on pay now button and then you will be asked to make payment. If you select PayPal, then it will redirect you to PayPal payment page, and if you select Stripe, then it will prompt you to enter card details. Once you make payment and the purchase has been successful, you will see a order confirmation page after that, and you will receive confirmation on the email as well. In the confirmation page, you will see an option to continue to client area. Click on that option and you will be logged into client area. If you can't see that continue on client area option, you can simply go to clients.hostbait.in and log into your account. Your email address and password will be the one which you have set while registering. And if you have any questions related to purchase and order, then you can contact us on our website live chat, or you can also write a email at support@hostbait.in. So after purchasing domain and hosting, once your domain and hosting is activated, it might take a few hours for your domain to be recognized. Internet usually takes some time to recognize a newly registered domain name. So if you are getting any error while opening your website, then try waiting a few hours. If you still aren't able to open your website, then feel free to contact us through our website live chat or by writing an email. Now I have already purchased a domain and a hosting some time ago, so I will use that to create my website. So I will open my website. My website is mydeltatest.xyz. I have purchased this is some time ago, and you can see that it is showing some sample or testing page. Now let's proceed with website creation. So first I will close all these tabs and keep only the agency's website and the born website. Okay, now let's proceed with website creation. So I will go to my client area. After that, you will be able to see your hosting service here. Click on your hosting service, and now you will see an option to login direct admin. You have to log into direct admin control panel to create your website. So click on this button and the direct admin control panel is loaded. So before proceeding, you should install an SSL certificate on your website. SSL makes your website more secure, and to install an SSL certificate, you have to go to this SSL certificates option in direct admin and then select this first option, get automatic certificate from ACME provider, and then in the key size you have to select 4096 bit, and after that you have to click on save. It will take some seconds to install SSL. Now the certificate is installed, so click on close and scroll, and then you can see an option force SSL with HTTPS redirect. Select this and then click on save. So the SSL has been installed. Now go back to the direct admin dashboard, and now our first step is to delete this sample page. You can see our website contains a sample page. Our first step is to delete this sample page. To delete this sample page, we have to go to file manager in direct admin. You can see this file manager option in direct admin. Click on this option, and now here you can see list of files and directories. Website files are usually stored in public HTML folder. So double click on this public HTML folder, and now here is the index.html file. This file contains the some sample content which you can see on our website. So we have to delete this file. To delete this file, move your cursor on this file and right click and then click on remove and remove this file. And now if we refresh our website, then we can see a 403 error. That means there's no sample page. So now the sample page has been removed. Let's start with website creation process. So go to direct admin control panel, and here in the search box search for hostbait website builder. You can see this hostbait website builder option, and click on this option, and now the hostbait website builder will be loaded. To create a website, click on this create a new site button, and now click on this get started button, and here you can select the theme which you want to install on your website. We have reviewed the themes like the agency, born, cortege, productive, strides, and all. You have to enter the name of one of those themes. As we discussed that we will first set up the born theme. So I will search for born here, and I can see a search result. I will click on this search result, and I can see that it is showing me this born theme. I will select it, and now here we have to enter all the details like website title, description, email address, phone number, address, which will show on our website. Please enter all this information as per your wish. In the directory leave it empty, and in the website title I will enter like my delta test, and in the description I will enter marketing and SEO agency. In the email address you will have to enter your email address. In the phone number enter your digital agency phone number, and in the address you can enter the address of your agency. After entering all these details, click on proceed with install, and then click on yes. And you can see that the setup has been completed. And now if I refresh my website, I can see that the born theme has been installed, and now you have created a website with our website builder. The next step is to customize things like you can customize these text, or you can customize this photo, or you can customize these widgets. To customize these things we need to know about a few things. This part, the website title and these links are usually in the header part, and the part below this, like this text and these widgets are included in home header part, and below this all these things are included in the home page part. And if we scroll to the bottom, then these part like the footer links are in the footer section of the website. And if we go to a page like if we go to about page, then these things like my delta test and all these things are in the header part, and rest things are in about us about page. And if we scroll it to the bottom, then this part is included in the footer part. And same goes for other page like about services contact pages. So basically we go to new that uh, header, home header, footer pages. Basically the header, footer and home header part is considered as template part, and the rest things like the thing below home header are known as page part. For example, in the home page, first there will be content of home header, and if we check home page, then this whole content till this color till this color is considered as home header content, and the content below this is considered as home page content, and the content below or to the bottom is considered as footer, and above the footer this is considered as home page, and above the home page it is considered as home header. So basically in the home page, first there will be the content of home header, then below home header there will be the content of home page, and below home page there will be the content of footer. And if we look at about page, then in about page there first there will be the content of header content, then there will be the content of about us page, and then there will be the content of footer. So basically header is the head part of all pages except home page, and footer is the bottom part of all pages, and home header is the header part of only home page, and below header and above footer there will be the content of page itself. Header, footer and home header are template part, and home page, about us page, service page and contact page are pages part. So let's customize the website now. If we go to home page, and for example I want to customize this text, it's written creating beautiful sites for you. I want to customize this like making your business grow through my marketing. So how will we do it, which page it is? So we can see that it is a home page, and as we discussed this, that this part is known as home header part. So we have to edit this home header part. So we have to go to the dashboard of our website. To go to dashboard, you have to go to hostbait website builder and then click on return to sites, and you can see that the website you have created is here. If you move your mouse cursor here, then you can see a small icon of dashboard. Click on this dashboard icon, and the dashboard of our website has been loaded. So home header is a template part. As I have told you previously that home header, header and footer are template part. So if we want to customize template part, then we have to go to this template option here. You have to click on this templates, and here you can see this home header template, and if you want to edit this template, then you have to click on this edit button here. Now you have to click on this edit using page layer button, and now our website editor will be loaded. Now it has been loaded. Now you can customize everything in the home header section. To edit something, like simply click on this text and you will be able to edit this. For example, I want to edit this text. I will move my mouse cursor here and I can simply edit this. So I will write making your business grow through marketing. I will delete this and write making your business grow through marketing. And this is all. This is how you can customize text. And after editing this, I can simply click on this update button to update the changes I have made. And now the changes has been saved, and if I go to my website and refresh, I can see that the changes has been updated. Now let's customize more things. Let's say I want to customize this heading, creating modern and inspiring design. I can simply edit this by going to this, and I can simply edit this text. Like I can set market your business and reach the sky. I can write like this, and I can also edit the line below this. I can write like we provide high quality effective marketing solutions to skyrocket your business. And I can also customize the size of this text by selecting the text and then changing the heading. Like I can set h2, h3, h4 and something like that. So h4 will be good for this. So I can simply click on update, and the changes will be updated. And then here's the video. You can edit this as well. You can set your YouTube video embedded URL here also, or else you can upload the video here, and In the overlay you can select the thumbnail of this video here, and if you want to delete this video part you can also delete it by moving the cursor here and right clicking on it and then clicking on delete. Now the video part has been deleted, and if we update the changes and refresh it, we can see that the video part has been deleted. And if you want to edit these boxes, then also you can edit by simply clicking on this, and you can customize the text, or you can also customize these icon. For example, I want to set like high quality marketing, and I can edit the icon as well. Like I can select this icon, and then I can click on update to update these changes. And if I refresh it, I can see the changes has been updated. And now let's say I want to customize the footer part of all pages. Like if we scroll, then here's the footer part. If we want to customize the footer part of all the pages, then in the templates you can select footer. Here in the editor, in the templates you can select footer, and it will load the footer page editor, and you can change the bottom of the pages. Like in this dummy text I can write my delta test provides high quality digital marketing solutions and SEO solutions to boost your brand awareness and drive more sales. And I have edited the footer part of all the pages, and if I click on update and refresh here, then I can see that this has been updated. And till now we have edited the template part like footer and home header. Now you can edit the header part similarly. Now we will look at the pages part. For example, I want to customize this about company part. As we discussed previously, that this part is known as home page. In the home page, first there is the content of home header, and below home header there's the content of home page itself. So this part is included in the home page, and home page is a page. So let's go to our website dashboard, and the home page is a page. We will click on this pages option and then go to all pages. And as we want to customize the home page, so scroll and click on edit button of this home page. And you can see that this is home header template part, so you are not able to customize it, and you need to scroll and then you can customize this part. So I can write like most promising company for marketing in the industry. I can write like this, and then I can also edit the content below this. I can also customize this text, and here I can also select another image by simply clicking here and uploading a new image. I can replace this image. We can also edit this years of experience. uh, if we click on this, then we will see a counter widget here. A counter widget starts counting from a starting number to ending number. In ending number it's 30, so it will start counting from 1 to 30. If we want to make 5 years experience, then in the ending number I will write 5, and it will start counting from 1 to 5. And you can see that this is updated. Similarly, you can customize all these text and widgets as per your requirement. And if you scroll and if you want to customize this initial design and all, then simply click on these, And in the back section you can customize the text. You can customize the text in the back section, and in the options you can change the image of this box. And similarly you can customize all these things of home page. I will recommend you to try customizing each thing, and to save your changes simply click on update. And if I refresh my website now, then I can see that it is updated. Now let's say I want to edit this about page or service page, then I will go to this page, and let's say I want to edit these things. So I will go to the editor, and in the pages I can select the page which I want to edit. Like I want to edit the service page, then I will select the service here, and now I can scroll and edit all these things. For example, I want to edit these boxes, then I will simply click on these boxes, and in the options you can edit the background image of this box, and in the settings page section you can edit the text of these boxes. And similarly you can customize all the pages and everything. Just try and explore all the options and features, and there are a lot of things in these pages, and we can't cover them all because we have to learn many more features as well. I have explained you basic and intermediate level of editing page layer. Now you can edit almost anything. All you have to do is try and explore. We have edited pages and templates yet. Now we will explore features such as settings and email of the website. So let's go back to the dashboard of our website. And in the settings, go to general settings. In general setting, you can edit your website title and description. And then you can save these. In the editor setting, you can edit address and phone number and social media and copyright text of your website, and then you can save these. Now let's talk about the contact form. If we go to contact form, contact form is that part of your website which lets your visitor send email to you. Like if we go to our website, then in the contact page we can see that there's an contact form. Like if someone visits your website, then they can send you email through this option. In contact form we will customize things like from which email address the mail will be sent, and to which email address mail will be sent, and such details. And see, this contact form reads all the details entered by the visitor, and it sends that information to your email. In this process, the contact form needs an email address from which it can send email to you. In this process, we need to give the contact form a professional email address like support@yourdomain.com or no reply@yourdomain.com or anything like that. The email will be from your domain only, and whenever any visitor tries to contact you, then the contact form will read all the details and connect to your professional email address and then send the email to you. So if we go to our website dashboard, and then in the settings we have to go to this contact form option, and here we can see many options. This to email option means to which email address the queries or messages of the visitor should be sent. You have to enter your personal or business email address here. If the visitor contacts you through contact form, then you will get notification on this email. And from email means through which professional email address this mail will be sent to your email address. We will create a professional email address and in direct admin and set that. And subject means the subject of the email address which will be sent to your email address. And you can skip this additional header. And and the success message is what message the visitor will see when the mail is successfully sent, and the failed message is what message will visitor see when the mail is not sent. Later we will also set up SMTP. So let's first create a professional email address. So go to your direct admin control panel, and then in the email manager you can see a option of email accounts. Go to this option, and here you can see a button to create email account. Click on this create account button, and here it will ask you the username. For example, if we want to create email address like support@yourdomain.com, then you can enter username as support. So I want to create email like support@mydeltatest.xyz. So in the username I will write support, and in the password you have to set the password of this email account. So I will generate the password randomly, and I will copy these, and I will save them to Notepad. We have to save these in Notepad because we will need them while we set up SMTP. In the email quota I will set maximum, and then I will click on create account option. Now the email has been created. If you want to log into this account, then you can simply click on this small sign in icon here. It will log into the webmail. So now let's set up the mail in our website. Go to the contact form settings. Here is the contact form settings, and in the to email, enter the email address where you want to receive notifications, and you can enter your personal email address here. For test purpose I will enter my professional email address here. Please note that the user inquiry will be sent to this email address. If you check your professional email address frequently, then you can set your professional email address here. So I will write my professional email address here. And now in the from email box we will enter our professional email address which we created. So the mails will be sent from our professional email address. In the subject I will write the subject like the subject will be what I receive in my mail. I can write like new inquiry from website. In the success message I can write like thank you, your message has been sent. And in the failed message I can write unexpected error occurred, and then I will click on save changes. Now our next step is to enable SMTP. Here click on enable SMTP, and in the SMTP host you have to enter your domain name. In my case my domain name is mydeltatest.xyz, so I will enter that domain name. And in the type of encryption you have to select this TLS option. You have to select this TLS option in the type of encryption, and in the SMTP port you have to enter 587, and in the SMTP authentication you have to select yes, and in the SMTP username you have to enter your professional email address which you have created. Like we have created this email address, then we will enter it as SMTP username. And in the SMTP password we have to enter the password which we set to this email address. This is the password of our email address, so we will write it, and then click on save changes. Now it is saved, so let's try testing the mail. Like we can test this email is sending or not. In the to section you have to enter the email address to which you want to send the mail. You can enter your personal email address for test. I will test on my professional email address, and in the subject we can enter anything like, and then I will click on send mail, and I can see that the mail has been sent. So I will go to my professional email address webmail, and I will refresh it to check whether I have received the mail or not. So yes, I have received this mail, and we can see that the email is working fine. Now let's try the contact form and try sending an email. So I will refresh this page, and then I will enter some details here. Uh, let's assume that there's a customer who entered details like this, and then he will click on send. And once the message is sent, the visitor will see this error, and you will get his inquiry on your professional email address or the two email address which you have entered. So I can see that I have got this inquiry from the website. Now you have explored many features and did editing of the website. Now I hope you can navigate to other features and explore yourself. And let's consider a case. You have installed the theme and you didn't like the theme. In that case, we will have to delete this theme and create the site from start. So I will go to all sites in this hostbait website builder, and I will delete this site through this delete icon, and then I will click on this remove site button, and the site has been removed. And now we will create another site. To create site from new, click on add new site, and then click on get started. Now we have to select the theme which we want to install. First I will close all these alt tabs, and then I will search the theme which I want to install. Like I want to install D agency's theme, then I will write D agency, and I can see a option here. I will click on this and I will install it. Now the setup has been complete, and if we refresh our website, then we can see that this D agency's theme has been installed. So now let me give you a quick introduction of editing. And this part till this image is the home header template, and this part below this image is home page part, and in the bottom this part is the footer. Let's customize the home header. To customize it, you have to go to dashboard, like if we want to customize this home header part, then the home header part is a template part, so we will go to dashboard and then we will go to templates, and we can edit this home header template, and then click on edit using page layer, and here you can edit this home header home template like we did previously. And let's say you want to customize this pricing table, then this part is covered in the home page, so we will go to dashboard of our website, and then as this part is covered in home page, so we will go to pages, all pages, and then we will edit the home page. So click on this edit, and you can scroll and edit this pricing table. You can customize the amount, the services, or you can write your own currency symbol here instead of dollar. The contact form and SMTP setup is also exactly same. So that's how you create a digital agency website with hostbait website builder. If you are facing any issues, then you can comment on this video, or you can contact us on our website live chat. So thank you for watching this video.